Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and also explain to you how to upload your transcripts if you decide to put your videos in YouTube instead of using Kaltura. So if you go to YouTube and then you go to your channel, which this is my channel, and you go to Video Manager, you can find, they're going to send you a file. I think it's an SBV file or an SRT file. And so when 3Play Media sends you this, you'll want to save it to your desktop. Since I now have an account and can get into my my videos actually in 3Play Media, and that was done because for Spanish teachers, we're using 2 languages, so unlike the rest of you who, when you send your video off, that's it, we're having to go in and edit it because there's no one who's going to do both. We either can get it done in Spanish or we can get it done in English, and then we have to go fill in what's missing. So anyway, when I show you this, my timings may be a little off because of that. This is one transcript that I haven't gone through yet, so it has in brackets where I need to put the English in. But anyway, I'll show you how to do it. And if your timings are ever off, which they shouldn't be, I've had when I go into 3Play Media and I actually I add in the English and then I download my file and then I upload it to YouTube, it's usually pretty perfect. But if you ever have that problem, you can open your file in Notepad and you just delete the numbers in front of your words. And once you delete the numbers in front of your words, like I'll show you, this is the one that I'm going to use right now. See, these numbers are timings. If I delete this, it will enable YouTube to set the timings, and YouTube will set the timings correctly once I delete that. So mine may not look perfect, but I just wanted to show you how to do it anyway. So I'm going to use one of my Chapter 8 vocabulary videos. I have so many videos for which to do. Okay, so this is the one that I need. I'm going to click Edit. And then because I want to click this, I want to change my subtitles, I'm going to click the subtitles. And to set the language, I could pick, let's see, I don't know if I can, okay, I'm going to go ahead and just do Spanish because the bulk of it is going to be in, I could do it as English, I don't think it really matters. It might matter if I'm trying to decide, you know, trying to appeal to a particular audience. I might want to still leave it in English if I'm trying to appeal to, you know, if I had I have my site and I don't have sponsors, but if I was someone who's trying to do one with sponsors, I might want to leave it as English so my English speakers can find it. But anyway, you're going to click Add New Subtitles. I'm going to click Spanish. And then I'm just going to click Upload a File. And you saw that that file was on, and I'm going to leave it as transcript. Then I'm going to go find that Chapter 8. I have a mess on my desktop. I need to really clean it up, but I think I put it in as Chapter 8. Let's just see, Chapter 8. See if it'll pop up. Chapter 8 Vocabulary Part 2. That's what I want. I'm going to hit Open, and then I'm going to hit Upload. And then you can see, here's my transcripts here, and I could check to see if the timings are off. I know they're going to be off because of this. I need to add this stuff in. So e-learning gave me the capability to go in and do this in 3Play Media, but I could also do it here. I can hit play.
Okay, so I'm going to finish talking.
And I can type in, okay, so I'm going to finish talking, which is what I heard. So I can keep listening and going in and changing my transcripts. But once I have that done, then I just hit let's see, looking for transcribe and set timings. I just hit publish, and then my transcripts will be on there now. And like I said, mine are not going to be perfect.
So I'm going to finish talking to you about
and in fact, I'm not even going to go through and show you. I don't know why on this computer, but my transcript, I mean, I guess I could go ahead and show you, but my transcripts on here don't look exactly right. I'm not really sure what I've done in my computer to make it be that way. If I pulled up my other computer, they look fine, but here the color contrast looks a little wrong. Wait a minute, that might would. Speed, normal. I don't know.
In chapter 8, dos personas.
Oh, okay, now it's back to big. So you can see here's
personal
my
items. So in la
Okay, so there you're going to see some of it. In the first, it was saying speaking English because that's something that I have to go back and fix.
farmacia o perfumería. So in the pharmacy or the beauty supply shop. Cologne, el desodorante.
Okay, so you can see how the transcripts now are up there, and I just have to go back personally and fix the English part so that my transcripts are completely correct. And that's it. So now anyone who goes and finds my video will now be able to see the subtitles.